Hey guys, welcome to our Facebook group challenge of guest posting to improve your backlinks. So these are some challenges that are going to be happening every single day, so make sure you pay attention to the daily challenge and you participate, because in the end, it's helping you in your business. And if you don't participate, it's only hurting yourself. So whenever you see this picture, make sure that you know that the challenge is on and you participate. At least participate in one of the challenges every week, and I guarantee you it's going to help you in your business. So there are some of the rules required into guest posting. So again, whenever you see this, you're going to know that you need to have a blog already on standby, ready to go. Because at 8 a.m., there is a challenge that comes out every single weekday. And for guest posting, you are going to be creating a blog in a Word format. I recommend using Google Docs. Once you've created that blog, make sure that you're referencing your business one time naturally within the blog. So I'm going to reference house cleaners are house cleaning somewhere into the blog. I'm going to click onto that text and link it back to my business. That is going to be creating a natural backlink. And if you hear it raining, it's pouring, guys. Lovely, lovely pouring rain. All right, guys. All right, so you need to make sure that this link is set for public to the web and anybody can view. Not anybody with the link can view. It's public to the web. And we're going to delete it after, and I'm going to go through that next. But let's go into a tutorial of how to do this on two different types of Google Doc accounts. So if you have an @Gmail account, then you're going to do it differently than a domain account, which would be like crystal@crystalclearclean247.com. That would be my other organization email. So for the @Gmail account, what you're going to do is come up to the file and click on publish to the web. You're going to grab this link right here, right click, copy, and post into the comments of the Facebook challenge. Now if you have a organization email, you're going to do it differently. Come up to the share button, click on advanced, click on to who has access and click change. Click on to public on the web, click save. Also, if you noticed right here, it says anybody, no sign in required. Make sure that they can view it. Go ahead and just verify that it's already set correctly and you see public on the web. Go ahead, double click, right click, copy, and paste it into the Facebook group challenge. All right, so after you've posted that link that is available to anybody to grab and post, it's a private Facebook group, so nobody else has it. It's within the group and your information is secure. Don't worry about it, guys. All right, so reciprocate by supporting at least one other person in the comments that is participating into the challenge. So like their link to show that you are starting to post their blog to your website. So for instance, this blog right here, guys, where's let me get it. Nope, not that one. Okay. All right, so this blog, guys, I'm going to literally copy this title. I'm going to right click. This is the back end version. I'm going to right click, save this image, and I'm going to copy this whole entire thing and paste it onto my website and actually publish this. So for instance, somewhere in here where it says professional cleaners, I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to come up here to link, and I'm going to type in cleaning coach brand builder.com and apply. So I just had this blog created and I went ahead and backlinked to my website. So now that I'm sharing this, I could easily just come here and grab the link and post it into the comments. So that is what a blog would look like. And when you're posting it to your website, that's what you're going to be doing. All right, so now that you've reciprocated and you've liked their link to show that you are starting to post it onto your website, once you're finished, comment and reply to their URL with the new URL of the blog that's linked to their backlink. All right, and after you're done with that, go ahead and delete the existing Word doc. So I would just come up here and I can go ahead and move this to the trash right here. And then you have successfully completed the guest posting challenge. All right, guys, so it's important to know that this challenge closes at 8 a.m. the following day. So every single weekday at 8 a.m. there is a new challenge. So make sure you participate in one of the challenges. Remember, a majority of the challenges closes the next day at 8 a.m. Some of them that have rewards or prizes may end sooner, so make sure that you check it out and start on it pronto. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Bye.